Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure the AirPods Max have some charge and aren't in the smart case. The case can keep them asleep. On the switch, open system settings and confirm firmware is up to date, so Bluetooth audio compatibility is current. Now press and hold the noise control button on the AirPods Max until the LED flashes white. This forces visible pairing. Once done, move immediately to the switch's Bluetooth menu to detect the headphones. You'll now complete the handshake inside the switch. Go to System Settings, choose Bluetooth Audio and select Search for devices. The switch scans for nearby headsets. When you see AirPods Max appear, select them. Why manually select? Because the switch doesn't support Apple's H1 features, so standard Bluetooth pairing is required. After selecting, wait until the switch reports connected. Make sure to play a short clip or system sound to verify audio routing and volume behavior before returning to your game. You finish by adjusting volumes and preferences so the experience feels natural. Set both switch system volume and in-game volume and enable mono output if one side sounds off. If the AirPods Max don't connect, forget the device on your switch and reset the headphones by holding the control and digital crown until LED flashes amber then white. Retry pairing. If audio latency bothers you, remember the switch uses standard Bluetooth A2DP, a wire.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.